Hello everyone, it is Gayla Wick, Denver Love Coach here, and I just wanted to say hello and happy holidays. It's Friday before the new year, and so I wanted to shoot this quick video for you. I kind of like doing it in front of my Christmas tree since it's not going to be up for that much longer, is it? Before you know it, we're going to be in 2020. So I just wanted to remind you that 2020 can be your year to find the love relationship that you've always wanted. So if you're single, I still have my offer out there. Please think about it because it's time for you to give yourself a gift. You can still order my book from Amazon.com. You have plenty of time to do that. I'm just looking for you to write a review sometime between now and the end of January on Amazon, and then you can schedule 60 minutes of free time with me. It's an offer that I haven't made before, but I really want to get more reviews on Amazon.com. But I especially want you, if you're single, not to have to wonder how it's all going to work and how you're going to attract that amazing love relationship in 2020, because you don't need to wonder anymore. You don't need to struggle. You don't need to figure it out by yourself. You can get help. We've all gotten help with things that we needed help with. It's really okay. And so for the price of a book, you can get started on your path. And for those of you who are local, I want to remind you as well, I have 2 new groups opening, love coaching groups opening in January. It's really important that you contact me soon. I want you to get in. I want you to get the 2019 prices. And so you can schedule a call with me. Just send me an email to gayla@gaylawick.com and we will get together and we'll talk about it. And you can decide if you would love to be part of a group. I just got an exciting message this morning, actually on Facebook, that one of my clients just got engaged. I'm so excited. She's agreed to do a video, and so I'm going to try to get that done in the next couple of weeks. I want you to have that excitement too. I want you to be the one getting engaged, or you to be the one dating an amazing, fabulous man that I know hasn't happened for a while. So that doesn't need to be your story anymore. I know how to help you have a new story. And so again, I just wanted to say happy holidays. I had to take time out to actually put on clothes, fix my hair today, because I have been at my computer really working hard on the 2 chapters of the book that I've been invited to be a part of. It's a compilation book for singles. And so I've written a chapter on limiting beliefs, and that's gone to the publishers and the editors. And now I'm working on a chapter on self-love, actually specifically the role of self-love in dating and in marriage. And so that's very exciting. I actually got to choose from a long list of topics that they had that they wanted covered in the book. And so those are topics I'm really passionate about, because I believe with all of my heart that if you want a love relationship from a healthy, loving, supportive partner, that you can have it. And if you're watching my videos, if you're part of my online community, I know that that's probably something that you want, and you've been struggling a little bit with that, or maybe you've been struggling a lot. Look, it doesn't matter. I don't care how many relationships you've been in. I don't care how many mistakes you may have made. It doesn't matter. You are worthy of love. And I want you to believe that. And if you don't believe that right now, it's okay. I know how to help you with that. Let's not let 2020 go by without you really being intentional and taking action. It does take intention to change something in your life. And it doesn't have to be that hard when you have a roadmap and when you have a coach. I would love to coach you. Be sure that you watch Vivian's video that I posted in my blog a couple of weeks ago, who tells you more about the love coaching process with me than really I could do. And I love her short little almost 5-minute little video about meeting me and what love coaching did for her and what it's all about. So be sure you watch that. Go to gaylawick.com, click on the blog tab. You can read all of my, well, probably the last 20 at least, blogs that I've put out. Take some time and do that. I want 2020 to be the year that you get what you want. So if Santa didn't deliver your true love either under the Christmas tree or down your chimney, you're going to have to do something. You're going to have to take an action. So I hope you take action for yourself. I want you to have the best possible year. And even if you're in a relationship, it's a good idea to have a little coaching and a book to help you have the best relationship that you could ever possibly want. So from my heart to yours, I wish you all the best in life and in love for the rest of 2019. And I'm so looking forward to 2020. And I hope you are too.